Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this placemat lie completely flat because as you can see right now it's just bunched up. The work kind of starts to curl in on itself because we're working into that back loop only. So we are going to start right in the center of our placemat. So right here I'm going to place a straight pin. And we're going to slowly be working our way around this center because it does tend to bulge a little bit, so it definitely needs to be pinned down. Just slowly work your way down. Try to like flatten your work as you go and sort of straighten it out. Alright guys, now that you have some of the center pinned down, what we're going to start doing is going around the border, and we're going to be placing pins, and then that'll kind of stretch this part out a little bit more. So I am just placing straight pins basically just underneath the bobble stitch and in between the chain twos that we've made. Alright guys, so we have now placed pins all the way around, and as you guys can see, the placemat is a lot flatter. So now we're going to take our steamer or iron or spray bottle, and we're just going to spritz this sort of around, make sure that we go in every single area, and then let it dry. Okay, now that we've sort of steamed everything, I just like to press my hand down around the fabric. This sort of presses the water caused from the steam into the fabric so it really gets in there. And then you guys can let it sit for a little bit. So I usually wait about 20 minutes. Then I remove the pins and your placemat is good to go.